We about to bury Jasmine in the sand. How do you feel getting buried in the sand?
It's okay. No. Go and get buried. Ooh, I got sand in my mouth.
Oh, you're gonna have it all over once you get out.
Alright, come on. Ready, Yo, I'm not standing in the sand.
It's nature. Come on.
Sand is gonna be everywhere.
Sand over here is
Retarded.
Who Jasmine? Look out here!
Oh yeah, right here.
And we see dolphins. I can't believe I think he's still. Look! Oh my God! Look, there's dolphins! Oh my gosh, that's so pretty!
Where the dolphins?
I wish the camera could see it.
I want to go ride on one. Where they at?
Ugly seagulls.